Hi, I'm Salma Banawan and I'm back with the pre-release material for the March 2021 Task 2. Before that, we're just going to recall Task 1 and I'll show you a minor adjustment I made because one of the commenters noticed a tiny flaw, so I fixed it. All right, so in Task 1, it's telling us we need to make a quiz to help students practice their multiplication tables, and in Task 1, it's the testing part, okay? Now, this is the same code that we had in the previous video. There's just 5 lines different. So instead of using random.randint, I initialized array called numarray, and it's equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And then instead of using random.randint, inside the for loop, I said num2 is equal to random.choice from numarray. So it takes a random choice. After it's taken that random choice, it removes that particular number from the array. So let's say num2 is equal to 6, then numarray.remove 6 would make it disappear from that array. All right, so that's just the minor adjustment, and this will definitely make sure that your task 1 has no repetition of questions within the same quiz. Now for task 2, in task 2, we have to create the learning program. So it's no longer the testing one, it's the learning one. The difference between the learning one, we'll have a read of task 2, is that students enter their name and the choice of multiplication table. Each question is displayed on the screen as in task 1. If an answer is correct, a personalized message containing the student's name confirms this. The quiz moves on to the next question. If an answer is incorrect, a personalized message containing the student's name and hint is displayed. For example, Arav, your answer is too large. Up to 3 attempts are offered to get each answer correct. After the third incorrect attempt, the correct answer is displayed and the quiz moves on to the next question. So we need to take an input of the student's name, an input again of the multiplication table. We need to validate that input as well. We need to show the question. We need to take the answer as an input. And if the answer is incorrect, we need a counter. While the counter is still less than 3, we'll keep giving them other choices, other chances, and outputting a hint. Otherwise, we're going to output the answer. So it's actually very close to task 1. Okay, the only differences between task 1 and task 2 is that we're going to need to initialize this counter called count wrong. All right, and then also we need to have, if the answer is correct, update the score. And we need to add this section, else we're going to update count wrong. And if count wrong is still, while count wrong is less than 3 and the answer is not correct, we can show them a message depending on whether the answer is less than the real answer or the answer is greater than the real answer. All right, please have a try, okay, of this task 2. Here are some sample outputs. So for example, the name input is Hamza. He selected a multiplication table of 3. 3 times 8 was 24. That was a correct answer. 3 times 5 is 30. Your answer is too high. Try again. 3 times 5 is 10. Your answer is too low. Try again. 3 times 5 is 5. Hamza, the correct answer is 15. And then it goes to the next question. All right. I hope you enjoyed task 2. Let me know in the comments if I can help you with anything else. Bye-bye.